Good morning, students. This is the dissection for the deep palmar arch and the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Let us see. In this portion of the palm, I have completely removed the oblique and the transverse head of the adductor pollicis muscle. So, we are deep to the transverse head of the adductor pollicis muscle. Let us see here, this was the cut stump of the ulnar artery here, lying just medial to the pisiform bone. This is the ulnar nerve. Okay, here the ulnar nerve divides into the deep branch. So we are following the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Some of the fibers from the deep branch of the ulnar nerve, you can see this. This is going to the muscles of the hypothenar eminence, that is the flexor digiti minimi, abductor digiti minimi, and the opponens digiti. See these nerve fibers from the deep branch. Now deep branch first lies medial to that of the pisiform bone. Lateral to that of pisiform bone, but then it lies medial to that of the hook of the hamate. This is the hook of the hamate and this is the pisiform bone. I have removed some of the muscles of the hypothenar eminence. This is the medial side and this is the lateral side, just as to follow the deep branch of the ulnar nerve here. This was that cut stump of the deep branch of the ulnar artery. See, this is the deep branch of the ulnar artery, which we have removed from that of the muscles of the hypothenar eminence. So now you can see here, this is the ulnar nerve, the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. See this, it is going here. This is the deep palmar arch, arterial arch, which you can see. I will just leave this, otherwise it will see this arch. See this arch, this is that arch, the deep palmar arch. See here, this is a tortuous artery going here, and then it continues as that of the radial artery. So here from the first intermetacarpal space, this radial artery which we have seen posteriorly, this was our radial artery winding round the wrist and then lying into the anatomical snub box, and then it is coming after piercing the first intermetacarpal space, and then this is the radial artery which has joined to that of the deep branch of that of the ulnar artery. I hope that I am just in my tip of the forceps is the deep palmar arch. So with the deep branch of the ulnar artery and that of the radial artery, this is the deep palmar arch. Here what you will see here, that this deep branch of the ulnar nerve, it runs along with this deep palmar arch, and then it supplies muscle to many of the structure. As we have seen, it will supply to the hypothenar eminence, it will supply to the medial two lumbricals muscle, then it will supply to the adductor pollicis which we have removed, deep to which this nerve is lying. Then you can see many of the branches from taking origin from this, the stump of the this nerve, that is the deep branch, and this deep branch is responsible for supply to the almost most of the deep muscles, which are small deep muscle. That means it will supply to both, lumbricals, medial two lumbricals, all the palmar introsei and all the dorsal introsei. That is this deep branch of the ulnar nerve. We have traced right from here ulnar nerve branch as a deep branch here, and then it will supply. Now this deep branch of this palmar arch or the deep palmar arch, it will give few branches. There are the three branches, and they are called as palmar metacarpal arteries. I will show you the palmar metacarpal arteries, and then I will not be able to show you the three perforating arteries and the recurrent branch, but I will definitely show you the three metacarpal arteries which will join to that of the palmar metacarpal arteries. Let us see here. this is the palmar arch is here, and see, let us try to get the first one, first palmar. See, this is this. I hope that in mind. This is the arch. Okay, this is that deep palmar arch, and this is the first branch which is coming out. Okay, this will be the first metacarpal. This is the second here. You can see here. I will trace it. This is the second metacarpal artery here, and then this one is the third metacarpal artery. See, this is taking origin, and these are the three metacarpal artery which are the branches from the deep palmar arch beside the perforating branch. Okay, perforating branch which are also given by these. Okay, and recurrent branch which will go upward. So this completes the dissection of the palm with the deep palmar arch as well as that of the ulnar nerve. Now I will cut these two structure and will go deeper dissection, where I will dissect the palmar intrusii and if possible dorsal from this side. Otherwise I will go on to the back side and will dissect the dorsal intrusii from this. Thank you very much for watching this video on the deep palmar arch and the deep branch of the ulnar nerve.